ZoomInfo pricing. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about ZoomInfo, the go-to intelligence platform for your marketing, and we're going to be talking about the different pricing schemes that it provides you and which pricing would work best for you. So if you come over to pricing and plans, there's three different types of pricing and plans to actually check. So there's sales, there's marketing, and there's talent. So if you're in sales, it accelerates your entire sales process by accurate email addresses, direct dial phone and mobile phone numbers, company insights and buying intent signals, engagement apps, and integrations. Then if you achieve marketing, you can achieve more ROI with essential contact data, digital marketing solutions, plug and play, and flexible integrations. And obviously, if you go for talent, you can find the best talent much faster with advanced candidate search with accurate contact data, source intelligence with candidate alerts, and engagement apps and integrations. So, if you're a salesperson, you can go ahead and check their sales pricing, you can check their marketing pricing, and you can check their talent pricing all by adding an email. But if you want a rough estimate, let me show you. So, ZoomInfo's monthly pricing starts at $1,250 per month and is based on choice of platform of users, numbers of credits, and chosen add-ons. There is no monthly ZoomInfo subscription, only 1 year long contract that you can use. So, it does cost $14,995 per year and is based on choice of platform, number of users, and number of credits and chosen add-ons that you can actually choose. Now, the cost per contact would be $3, which is basically 15,000 per 5 credit. So that's the basic pricing that you can get for Zoom Info. And then there's obviously the advanced plan, which is $25,000 per year, and the elite plan, which is $40,000 per year. And obviously, each of these have different credits for themselves that you can actually use. So the professional plan gives you 5,000 credits, advanced gives you 10,000 credits, and elite also gives you 10,000 credits with obviously much more features to value and use off of. So basically, that's the main pricing of Zoom Info. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.